Welcome, in front of me is Dell Latitude 5400 and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. To start a screen recording, you can use a combination of 3 keys: Windows, Shift and R. Alternatively, you can press Print Screen F10 button and then select Record option on this bar. Once the record option is selected, you have to select an area of your screen that you want to record. You can reshape it or resize it or move it along your screen. To reshape or resize it, drag the sides and the corners of your selection. Right now you can see 2 new icons on this bar. This one will unmute your microphone once you click on it, and this one will mute your system audio. To start the recording, click Start. Then let the snipping tool access your microphone and wait for the recording to start. Right now we can pause it by clicking the pause icon or stop it by clicking the stop icon. To delete it without saving, click right here. Let's stop the recording. And the preview of the full video will appear on the screen in the new window. You can trim it using this quick tool right here, or you can edit the video in Clipchamp by selecting this option right here. To save a new version of the video, select Save As and then choose the location in your file explorer where to save the new version of the video. To find the screen recording, you have to open the file explorer, then go to Videos folder, find the screen recordings folder, open it, and here is the video recording that was recently made. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.